Hi, I'm Cassie, I'm the makeup ambassador for B, and we're going to be doing a metallic smoky eye, just using 2 products. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really, really easy. So we're going to start off with a really soft, smudgy kohl pencil. Now this is in jade colour. It's absolutely beautiful for redheads and actually any colour skin tone. Just close your eyes for me. So I'm going to start off by penciling this all over the lower lid area. Just let it change a little bit. Now this doesn't have to be really, really neat because we're not actually going to see this bit. It's going to be covered. But this is going to act like glue so that when we go over the top of it with a little bit of pigment, it's going to really, really stick. Okay, now I'm going to be going over with my pigment colour. Again, this is a green. I'm going to press my brush right into the pigment so it picks up loads of colour. And then I'm going to press it over this kohl pencil. And just press the product over the kohl. And we're going to blend this through the crease. Now we're going to take the kohl pencil underneath the eye and I'm just going to line the whole lower lash line, again quite roughly, it doesn't matter because I'm going to be going over it. Same on the other side. I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush, dip this in the pigment, tap off your excess, look up, and then you're just going to smudge it all the way along the lower area of that kohl, so where it joins the face down here. And the way to set this eye off now is with loads of mascara. I'm going to do lashings of mascara. So we've piled on the mascara and now I'm just going to tone down the natural pink of the lip by putting on a little bit of a nude over it. And it's literally that easy to get your metallic smoky eye.